Electrician pay in Italy is worth a closer look. The average electrician income in Italy is around $37,600 a year. That is before tax, but tax takes a share and leaves you with $25,700 to bring home. That adds up to roughly $2,142 each month in take-home pay. While that is the nationwide picture, major cities offer more because an electrician's salary in Italy goes up in big urban centers. For example, a Rome worker gets $29,000 after tax, which shows how much an electrician makes in Italy when based in the capital. Even so, life outside Rome costs less, so lower electrician wages elsewhere still buy a comfortable lifestyle. Starting out in the field means your earnings sit well below that average, but pay climbs fast as you gain skills. It often levels off later, unless you step up to a team lead role. University degrees are not required for this trade, yet having extra technical education helps you earn noticeably more than baseline average electrician pay. On top of that, studying further opens doors to higher paying roles like electrical engineer or project manager. Local firms usually pay modest rates, whereas multinational employers give substantially higher compensation.